Ready to turn that American Express gift card into PayPal magic? Well, you can't directly add an AMEX gift card to your PayPal wallet. Don't worry, there are still ways to use it. Let's walk through the sneaky smart strategies. First, try using your AMEX gift card directly for online purchases wherever PayPal is accepted when you're at the checkout. Just enter the gift card details like you would with a regular credit card: the gift card number, expiration date, and the security code. Another handy trick is to use your AMEX gift card to buy a digital gift card from a retailer that is readily accepted by PayPal. Think about buying an Amazon, Walmart, or Target gift card online using your AMEX gift card. Once you get that digital gift card, add it to your chosen retailer's account, and you can then use it to purchase items through PayPal. Alternatively, add the AMEX gift card as a regular debit or credit card in your PayPal settings. You can add it by going to your wallet and select link a card and enter the gift card details. Boom, now you're ready to use it as a payment method. Just remember to keep track of your gift card balance, because PayPal will attempt to charge the full amount and might decline if the balance is too low. And there you have it, a few indirect methods to unlock the power of your American Express gift card with PayPal. Happy shopping!